Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy C. Thanks for tapping in. Just want to send a big appreciation to everybody who made Certifit Wolves and Lions hike a success. I appreciate y'all. And y'all should be patting yourself on the back for showing up for yourselves. But that was yesterday. Today's a new day. It's the beginning of the fourth quarter, September 1st, 2025. Let's finish strong. I myself hit a bump on the road. As soon as I started seeing the results I've been looking for, the results of all the hard work I've been putting in, I backpedaled on my nutrition. Figured I could have some ice cream. Not just any ice cream. I wanted the Snickers ice cream. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. Eating cookies. But I'm back focused. And that's thanks to y'all, man. Y'all keep me motivated. Y'all keep me focused. Even when I lose focus on my discipline, as I do more often than I like to take credit for. But it is what it is. It's never too late to hit the reset button. So with that said, just know you're not alone in this journey. It's okay. No matter how many times you gotta hit the reset button, it's okay. Just make sure you hit it. And you know, man, you're putting 110% in trying to stay focused. We all lose focus sometimes. We're human. We all fall victim to our desires and temptation. But we gonna keep going. There's no excuses. It's your boy C, this Certifit. And we got a lot of things coming. So stay tuned. And yeah, thanks to Quality Committed CMOS for sponsoring the event yesterday. And again, everybody who came out, appreciate y'all. Till next time, peace.